So, red Mizuna, day 5. Not really doing much, is it? Just here, you can see, bring it right in, that seed is trying to just crack open. So, this is perfectly normal. They take a bit longer. So, don't be alarmed, thinking, well, what's it doing? It's not doing anything. They just take longer. I know that they're in the kits with some of our bigger kits, actually. I think in the macro and obviously the greens for a year. So that is still feeling okay. I am going to give it another thing of water, and I'm going to replace the cards. There we go, like that. And I'm going to put that back in the light, in the dark, sorry. And then I'll come back and check in. So just needs longer than the others. Doesn't mean that it's not going to get there. It's all good.